It sounds ancient. It feels powerful. And it's designed for today's busy, noisy, chaotic classroom. Let's talk Remo Buffalo Drums. Hi, I'm Tenea Fabray, the National Sales Consultant for Drums and Percussion here at West Music, and also a former music teacher. Today we're diving into the Remo Buffalo Drum, where it comes from, how to play it, and why it works so well in elementary music classrooms. The buffalo drum has deep roots in Native American and shamanic traditions, where it's known for its grounding, meditative sound. Traditionally made with buffalo hide stretched over a wooden frame, these drums have been reimagined by Remo for modern use. They feature a synthetic drum head and acoustic conch shell, so they're durable, lightweight, and still deliver that same rich, resonant tone. Remo Buffalo drums come in a variety of diameters, but all have a deep 3.5-inch shell, which is what gives them that powerful, earthy sound. One of my favorite things about buffalo drums is how easy they are to play. Each drum comes with a soft mallet and features a rope handle on the back, so it's very comfortable for even the smallest hands to hold. The different sizes produce different tones, but all have a deep, resonant sound. There are so many reasons why buffalo drums are perfect for the classroom. They're lightweight, durable, and super accessible for all ages and ability levels. Smaller drums are great for little hands, and the rope handle makes all sizes easy for anyone to hold and play. You can use them to teach basic rhythm patterns, echo games, or call and response activities. Just tap a simple rhythm and have students play it back. Great for listening and coordination skills. These drums also work beautifully for calming transitions or mindfulness moments. That rich, resonant sound can really help bring focus back to the room after recess or a high-energy activity. Whether you're exploring steady beats, layering rhythms in a circle, or just giving students a quiet moment to connect with sound, the buffalo drum is one of those instruments that just works. You can find the full line of Remo Buffalo drums, different sizes and all, right now at westmusic.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button for music classroom tips, demos, and resources. And we want to hear from you. How would you use a buffalo drum in your music class, or how have you used one? Drop your ideas in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye.